Freedom Curriculum. Indonesian government. Elementary, junior high, and senior high schools. Flexible and personalized learning experience. Developing their own interests and skills. Autonomy over their learning path. Wider range of subjects. Learning activities. Project-based learning. Internships. Community service programs. Greater flexibility in designing their lessons and assessments. Developing critical thinking. Problem-solving skills. Implementation of the Freedom Curriculum. Phased in gradually. Adopting the new, engaging and relevant education experience. Better prepare them for the challenges of the future. Exciting development for education in Indonesia. Greater choice and flexibility. Unlock the full potential. Indonesian students. Rapidly changing world. New approach to learning. The implementation of Freedom Curriculum in Indonesia. In 2021, the Indonesian government introduced a new curriculum called Curriculum Merdeka for students in elementary, junior high, and senior high schools. The aim of this curriculum is to provide a more flexible and personalized learning experience for students, allowing them to develop their own interests and skills. Under the Freedom Curriculum, students have more autonomy over their learning path, with the ability to choose from a wider range of subjects and learning activities. This includes project-based learning, internships, and community service programs. Teachers also have greater flexibility in designing their lessons and assessments, with a focus on developing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. The implementation of the Freedom Curriculum has been phased in gradually, with some schools already adopting the new approach. The hope is that this will lead to a more engaging and relevant education experience for students and ultimately better prepare them for the challenges of the future. Overall, the Freedom Curriculum is an exciting development for education in Indonesia, providing greater choice and flexibility for students and teachers alike. With a focus on creativity, innovation, and problem-solving. This new approach to learning has the potential to unlock the full potential of Indonesian students and help them succeed in a rapidly changing world.